Welcome to the Fixit channel. Now this is a tips and tricks video. If you're using Windows 10 and you are experiencing some problems, you can voice your problems at Microsoft. You can tell them what issues you have. You have suggestions maybe about things that you'd like to change. You can also voice what you'd like. There's something called the Feedback Hub in Windows 10 and it is very useful. Microsoft has been listening a lot to users, and you know what? All indications show that they're still continuing to listen to what users think and the problems they have. So to go to the Feedback Hub, just use the search for Cortana, type feedback, and you'll see something called Feedback Hub from Microsoft. The way it works, you can search for something. So say you've got Microsoft Edge browser issue, an example. I will just type Microsoft Edge freeze, for example, and press enter, and look at what is all the fuss, what people are talking about. And if you find something that is pretty much what you have, a Microsoft freeze, for example, can sometimes freeze, and you say, yeah, that's pretty much, you can add your comment. You can upvote something. By clicking upvote, what happens is that the upvote gives you more power. The upvote means this post will have more chances of being checked out. Of course, make sure to write a comment. So, for example, here in a comment I can say, when tabs are open and I try to click close, it freezes Edge. An example. And this is, of course, an issue that I do have on Microsoft Edge right now. And I click submit. And here goes. You submit that information. And by upvote, they will take the time to take a look at it. Now, maybe you want to have your own comment. What do? Click Add New Feedback on the upper right. And just summarize your feedback as precisely as possible so that other people can see and understand that you're talking about the same problem. So here you'll say Microsoft Edge freeze on YouTube, for example. Give the feedback details, how it happens, if you've noticed, how many times it did, and so on. Give us the maximum details possible so they can actually pinpoint. Choose the category here. You've got everything for Edge. It's Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer, but you've got different categories to choose from. And then you've got, of course, the type of problem in that category to choose from, so you can check it out. And of course, you can attach a screenshot if you wish by, of course, taking a screenshot of the problem and then click attach screenshot. You don't have to attach it, but if you have one, why not? And of course, make sure that you click, is it a suggestion or a problem, so that you can then click the submit button once you have chosen all the categories. You know, Microsoft does really listen a lot to the comments and suggestions, so take the time to do it. Be proactive with your Windows install, and it's going to make Windows 10 better as time goes on. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. And hopefully you enjoy our channel. Why not subscribe and give us thumbs up.